How to make a Twitch account. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can make a Twitch account. First, open a browser on your device, then search for twitch.tv. Now when you're inside the website, look for the sign up which is located above. For the first step, enter a username that you want, then enter a password. Tap next when you're done. After that, proceed to the second step. You need to verify your account using a number or an email, whichever you prefer. Tap next to proceed to the third step. Last step is to put in your birth date. Once you've completed the sign up form, click the sign up button at the bottom. Depending on your selected method, this will then start the verifying process of your email address or phone number. Just follow the procedure that will pop up, and that's about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.